Hi guys, welcome back to Safeclean Walkingtv. So today is just a quick one guys. I just want to show you some of the machines that we use and some of the ones that I find that gets me out of jams, and I could be going into a building that's 20 stories high and the lift's not working and I'm only going to remove a stain that small. What do we use? One of these guys. Now this is one of the first one I bought. As you can see, its name, Little Green Bissell, is that what it says? Little Green Bissell cleaning machine. Now this was one of the first ones I used, as I said. Brilliant machine, got me out a lot of jams throughout the years. As you know, I've been doing this for 26 years, I believe 1994, 26, 27 years, something like that. This one still works today guys, it gets me out a lot of jams, but they've been developing these machines on and on and on, so I moved on from that one guys. And as you know, you've seen in my other videos, I have other machines. I have other professional cleaning machines, but these are just the ones that gets me out of little jams. On from that one, we went on to this one. They went on to develop this one guys, the same little green, as you saw the other one was green and this one's green. Little green machine, water tank, plain water, most of the time just plain water. Then it has a dirty tank, that's what we use. But they've gone on to develop another one guys, and this one, as they say, is the most powerfulest one that they've developed guys. So I just thought I'd just show you and introduce you to this one guys. This one is the Little Green machine, but if you notice, it's not green, it is black, but it's still called the Little Green carpet machine. So I just thought I'd just introduce you to it guys. These I always use. This one comes now with 2 brushes, a long hose, okay, long enough. But what's great about this one also is that they've been listening to us, and what they've done is made this with a long extension cable. Look at that. So if you're doing something on the stairs, it will do the full length of the stairs. You don't need an extension cable. Straight. It's got a healthy water tank, and then it's got an even healthier, can you see that guys? It's got an even healthier waste tank. So the Little Green machine, it's got 2 brushes. 2 brushes, you just click somewhere here, you click somewhere, I believe it's here. What's good about that is that for bigger areas you can just be cleaning bigger areas, rather than you just got this little one which is just for smaller areas. Okay, so if I could introduce you to a machine that you could have in your home today, that you're able to, look, it even comes with some fluid for the machine. Not that you always need this, because if you get a stain on your carpet or your sofa and you've got water in the tank, straight away just go and suck it up, and that's the best thing you can do, is completely just get that stain up as soon as possible before it dries. So it was just a quick one guys. I just wanted to introduce you to. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get one, and they're not that expensive. Every home should have one. I'm not getting paid by Bissell or anybody to do this. I'm just saying that every home should have one. It saves you calling out a carpet cleaner who's going to charge you a minimum charge to come and remove a stain. And if you've got one of these, you no longer have to pay that minimum charge. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick up one of these machines. You're able to get one of these on one of those second-hand websites or purchase a new one. Thank you for watching again, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and most of all, your comments are always welcome, and I'll see you on the next upload.